This is an explanation of question 19. Okay, so we're told that there's a right triangle. We are given that there's one angle with measure x, which I just chose to make x this angle here. We know because we're talking about sine, we know that this has to have a 90-degree angle here. And then logically, because we know that the angles of a triangle add to 180, this has to be 90 minus x degrees. And this is pretty crucial for these questions that are showing up on this new SAT to know that you can infer that this angle here is 90 minus x. And just to elaborate a bit, let's say hypothetically that x was 30. It's not for this question, but let's say it was. Then if you think about what this angle would be, it would be 90 degrees minus 30 degrees, which would yield 60 degrees. So I just wanted to give you some numbers to help conceptualize why that works, but this isn't actually true for this question, so I'm just going to get rid of it. Okay. And we're told that sine x equals 4/5. So recall that sine means opposite over hypotenuse, so we look across here. This is the opposite. We can just literally fill in that that's 4. Hypotenuse is always the longest side here. This is 5. Some of you will know that this is 3. It ends up being irrelevant for this question, but this is just your standard 3, 4, 5 right triangle. That's a skill that can be helpful for other questions on the SAT. Okay, and then let's just take note of what we're being asked. We're being asked for cosine of 90 degrees minus x. So we're being asked for cosine of this angle here. So cosine of this angle here is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent to this angle is 4. The hypotenuse stays the same, 5. So cosine of 90 degrees minus x is 4/5.